So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find real estate stocks to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha is opened up, I want you to go to the top left and press on the arrow, then scroll down to where it says stock analysis and then stock ideas and press on that. Once you're on this page, I want you to go to the left hand side to where it says analysis and just scroll down to where you see real estate. So right here it says real estate, press on that. What it'll say now is latest real estate stock analysis. So what these articles will actually show is different stocks, or I guess in this case real estate stocks, that are being mentioned and kind of give an analysis that way. So you can go ahead and view this information and take it whatever you want. If you want to invest in these companies, if you don't want to invest in these companies, the information's right here in regards to the stock analysis. So you can make your decisions after reading these if you choose to do so. But yeah, very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find real estate stocks to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.